Today, we're diving into 5 powerful tips to make your text stand out. Now let's jump right in. Hello and welcome to Affordable Socials, the go-to channel for all things social media. I'm your host, Jemima, a social media manager, content creator, and influencer. We drop weekly segments teaching you easy how-to tips and tricks for social media. Tip 1, choose the right font. The font you choose can make all the difference. Opt for fonts that are clear, legible, and reflect the mood of your content. Experiment with different styles, but remember, simplicity often reigns supreme when it comes to readability. Tip 2, play with color contrast. Color contrast is key to making your text pop. Select colors that stand out against your background to ensure readability. Bold, vibrant hues against a neutral backdrop can work wonders, but don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations. Tip 3, add depth with effects. Enhance your text with effects to give it depth and dimension. Experiment with shadows, outlines, and gradients to make your text appear more dynamic and eye-catching. Just be sure to not overdo it. Sometimes less is more. Tip 4, consider text placement. Think strategically about where you place your text within your design. Position it in a way that it draws the viewer's eye and complements other elements. Whether it's centered, aligned to the left or right, or placed diagonally, make sure it enhances rather than distracts from your overall composition. Tip 5, keep it concise. Lastly, keep your text concise and to the point. Avoid overcrowding your designs with too much text, as it can overwhelm the viewer. Instead, focus on delivering your messages clearly and succinctly. Remember, sometimes less is more. And there you have it, 5 tips to help you make your text stand out in your design. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you're feeling inspired to create some stunning visuals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below with your favorite text design tips. And as always, if you need further assistance or have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email or live chat on our website. Thanks for watching and happy designing!